Hello everyone, Lance here. This is part 2 of my 11-month and 11-day post-op mark video for the FUE hair transplant procedure I had with Dr. Daniel McGrath on May 9th, 2022. For this video, I'm using my iPhone 13 to really close in on the frontal hairline I had reconstructed. As I said in the previous videos, I had 1,378 total grafts placed into the very frontal hairline here. And they were divvied up into 450 singles, 310 twos, and 618 threes and fours. I had a larger 2-hair graft kind of in the center left part of my frontal hairline that was removed the day of the surgery. And this is my right side. I had another larger 2-hair graft removed that was kind of on the point here of this right temporal peak taken out. And yeah, my hair is a little damp. I got out of the shower not too long ago. And at this point, you know, this is basically my final result at 11 months, and I'm so happy with the work that was done. One thing I forgot to mention is that when I had my scar revision procedure for the back of my head done in 2017, I also had 50, that's 50, single hairs that were placed on the left and left temporal peak here, when I had that surgery done. And yeah, it's been a really wonderful experience doing this procedure. It was the easiest procedure of the 4 that I've done, and I healed the best after this one. And I'm just really happy with how it looks and how I can style my hair, and I plan on going with a much shorter haircut next month when I do my 1-year post-op mark video. So once again, going into the middle, this is my frontal hairline. This is right in the middle. Bigger graft was taken out right around here. This is the left temporal peak. Left side, going back to the middle. Now we're going to go to the right side. I had another bigger graft on the right side taken out right about there. And that's it for 11 months and 11 days. I'm really happy with how everything has turned out. And as always, please like and subscribe to my channel if you find its information and content helpful. And I'll see you guys next month for the 1 year. Thanks, and I'll talk to you all next time. Bye-bye.